All right, for today's deep dive, we're looking at something you'd probably just scroll right past online.
Oh, for sure.
It's the Aurora WMT-1 wall mount.
Just a wall mount.
Exactly. It's 48 bucks, holds 40 pounds. But the interesting part is that it's made specifically for the Tori temperature tablet series.
And that's the first clue, isn't it? We're not talking about a home theater bracket here.
Not at all. Our whole mission today is to show you how this one simple piece of hardware is, like a secret doorway into the super specialized world of professional AV.
Yeah, the moment you step away from consumer gear, the rules just completely change.
So here's where it gets really interesting. The source material highlights that this bracket is advertised as TAA compliant.
Right, and with no tariffs.
Why is that a headline feature for, a piece of metal?
It's all about who's buying it. TAA stands for the Trade Agreements Act.
Okay.
And for institutional buyers, especially government agencies, that compliance is often mandatory. It's basically code for this product is sourced from the U.S. or an allied nation.
So it's not just budget friendly, like
Yeah.
the source says.
No, not really. It means they can legally buy it with certain funds. It makes it cost efficient by letting them skip all these bureaucratic hurdles.
A simple compliance checkbox on a wall mount opens up a massive government market.
Exactly. And once a buyer is in the door with a TAA compliant bracket, you quickly realize this product doesn't exist in a vacuum.
It's part of a bigger system.
A whole ecosystem. It's all from a company called Aurora Multimedia, and they are deep in professional AV gear.
So wait a minute, we're talking about a $48 component that is essentially a gateway for federal procurement.
That's a great way to put it. It's the anchor point, literally and figuratively.
So how much bigger does this rabbit hole get? What's Aurora's main focus?
They're selling the whole infrastructure. Their primary products are things like modular matrix switchers and entire systems built around AV over IP.
Okay, break that down for us. AV over IP.
It means they transmit high-definition audio and video over, like, standard network cables.
Not HDMI cables.
Right. This is a huge leap. It's for systems designed for scale managing hundreds of screens and inputs across, a whole campus or facility.
That puts their other products into context then. The source mentioned things like the DXP62 presentation scaler and the VPX series.
Very specialized stuff. Components for, like, mission control rooms and high-tech corporate spaces, not living rooms.
And we saw they show up at huge industry trade shows like IS 2025.
Mm-hmm. And they're not there showing off wall mounts. They're talking about advanced tech like beamforming Dante mics and control panels.
Dante being that high-end networked audio system.
Precisely. So that simple WMT-1 mount is anchoring a tablet that might be controlling this entire, very complex and highly regulated environment.
So to pull it all together, this Aurora WMT-1 wall mount is so much more than a bracket.
It's a foundational piece, a TAA-compliant component, and a really sophisticated AV infrastructure.
And it just goes to show you how regulations and compliance trickle all the way down, shaping even the smallest parts of a professional tech installation.
It really does. And it leaves us with a pretty important question to think about, doesn't it?
What's that?
Well, if a company has to go through all this effort making, a simple metal mount, tariff-free and TAA-compliant, just to satisfy these specific buyers, what does that imply about the supply chain for the really complex stuff?
The AV over IP switchers and the Dante audio systems it supports.
Exactly. The complexity starts right there, at the wall.